there, Madeline. How are you doing?
Hi, Uchenna. I'm doing quite well. Hope you're staying safe during these trying times. So, Uchenna, can you tell me how are we able to get the virus?
Sure. There are three ways we can get the virus. One way is direct spreading, where we're in close proximity with the infected person. Another way is indirect spreading, where you can get the virus from surfaces, objects, and clothes. The last way is mouth and nose droplets, such as coughing, spitting, and sneezing. To prevent the droplets from spreading, wearing masks are the best option so that the mask capture the particles to prevent them from spreading.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know you can spread it indirectly like that. How about the duration that I will stay in the air on objects?
Cough particles stick to clothes, land on other people, and still stay in the air long after the deed is done. The droplets that land on clothes and on surfaces can stay there for 3 hours, while the really small droplets stay in the air 30 times longer if the air does not flow in and out of the building.
Whoa, that means I would really need to sanitize my use objects and surface daily in order for the droplets to not stay any longer on them.
Yes, indeed. That is the best option to keep you and your family safe.
Well, thank you so much for telling me a lot of this, Uchenna. I definitely learned a lot.
You are very welcome, Madeline. I hope the people watching us have learned just as much.